Good morning, friends. We are now discuss with manufacturing processes. All are shifted to second year due to pandemic conditions. Now, in manufacturing processes is in second year because there are different subjects are there for the second year, out of which one manufacturing process subject is there. Why to learn this manufacturing process? What is the necessity for this manufacturing process subject? For that, everybody is knowing that we are using some product for our purpose, whatever will be the products. Suppose now we will see we are sitting in a classroom. We are sitting in a classroom, correct? So we are sitting in a classroom on where we are sitting in on bench. So we are sitting on bench means bench is a product. But when bench is a product, whether it comes from mind directly, no. So for this every product, he has to go to the from the manufacturing process. The manufacturing process is that process which converts raw material into finished good. म्हणजे फक्त मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंगमध्ये फक्त लेफ्ट साईडने तुम्ही बघितलं, ह्या फिगरमध्ये जर बघितलं, रॉ मटेरियल आलेले, रॉ मटेरियलवरनं फिनिश प्रॉडक्टला जाताना मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग म्हणून दाखवलेलं आहे. नुसतं मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग म्हणजे नुसतं मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग म्हणून चालणार आहे का? मग वी हॅव टू प्रोसेस फॉर दॅट पर्पज. वी हॅव टू यूज मशिनरी, वी हॅव टू यूज लेबर, we have to use power, we have to use different toolings. With the help of all these things, that means raw material, tooling, machinery, labor, by applying these are the inputs for any manufacturing processes, and that converts the raw material into finished products. Generally we are considering as 4M are the inputs for any manufacturing process, and raw material gets with the help of that inputs we get output that is called as finished good product. This is manufacturing, correct? So manufacturing is the process of converting raw materials into products. It encompasses the design and manufacturing of goods using various production methods and techniques. The word manufacturing is derived from Latin word manu status, meaning is made by hand, and now in modern manufacturing it involves making products from raw material by various processes with the help of machinery and operations. Correct? So manufacturing process is an course of subject which increases the knowledge regarding material, regarding nature of material, from which nature of we have to convert the material into which nature, so that we will get the required shape and size of the component. We must know the mechanical properties of the different materials, flow properties of that material, stress strain behavior of that material, statics of that material, force, torques and pressure vectors, those are required. Again, resolution of forces and vectors, phase change and crystal growth, thermodynamics, specific heat, latent heat, heat transfer, fluid flow, everything. That means whatever engineering we are learning in a 4-year course, all these engineering aspects come in manufacturing. So this is going to be a most important subjects. Whatever you are learning, thermodynamics is there, design is there, strength of material is there, tool engineering is there, management is there, everything we have to use for the manufacturing process. All the knowledge of all the subjects is required in manufacturing process. If we are not having any, we are having also, sorry, if we are in lack of knowledge of any subject, it will gives you a production of wrong material or rejected material. So we must use, or we must have the knowledge of all the subjects that is going to be used in manufacturing processes. Major objective of this subject is recommend appropriate manufacturing process when provided a set of functional requirements and product development constraints. Recommend cost-effective material options based upon net part shape, expected loading, operating environment, cost constraint, and life expectancy. Fabricate basic parts and assembly using powered or non-powered machine shop equipment in conjunction with mechanical documentation. This is nothing but we have to use the raw material in a proper manner so that there will be less rejections and maximum output from the given input. So it again the word comes productivity. That word productivity is nothing but maximum output from minimum input. This is the main objective. So manufacturing process is the main which converts raw material into finished goods. Okay, now for learning this, we are having, suppose we are having a teaching scheme. We are having 4 hours per week a teaching scheme. Examination details are 80 marks there and class test of 20 marks. Duration of theory paper is 3 hours. And out of which different processes are we are going to see step by step. One is casting, another one is mechanical working of metals, sheet metal working of metals, processing of plastics, joining processes, and surface treatment. And for this, I will recommend use reference books. Use only reference books for these subjects. I will suggest the basic names are Workshop Technology, Volume 1 by B.S. Raghuvanshi, or Workshop Technology by Hajra Chaudhary, Volume 1. And another two books are good, which are H.S. Bava, Manufacturing Process 2, and book Production Technology by R.K. Jain. But if, according to my knowledge, the language may be easier in Workshop Technology by Hajra Chaudhary, and for manufacturing process you have to go with the help of Volume 1, because there are 2 volumes are there, out of which you have to go for Volume 1. Okay, this is some introductory part of our subject. Okay, from next lecture we will see the classification of manufacturing process and everything, and step by step we will go with different units and complete our syllabus during a stipulated time. Thank you.